Here we are at the kitchen table again. Okay, I wanted to play with this one more time before winter's over. So I also wanted to show you some of the accessories. There's not much to it. A simple body. And then the tracks. Battery, I don't know. It uses two motors. I had one go out on the other. I have two of these, so one of them went out and I repaired the motor. It was fairly easy. So I don't know how to adjust them, but I haven't had to on this one. The other one tends to come off the track sometimes, so I'll have to look at that closer later. Some of the accessories that come with this are pretty cool, though. Let me just show them to you. Here's the controller for that. Takes two hands, unfortunately, so a little harder to record. But I bought this. It's a rear tiller unit. Hooks onto the back of this. So let me see. I think I opened it once. Assembly required. Yeah, there it is. It's got little paddles like thing, chain motor. And then this is the attachments and power. Oh, it uses its own batteries here to drive this motor. So it just drags along the back and grooms the snow to make it smoother for skiing or whatever. Guess it uses a servo too. I didn't really look at the directions. Anyway, there's the directions for it. Pretty detailed, I guess. Okay, let's look at some of the other stuff. This is a heavy metal Caterpillar for the Blizzard. These are metal tracks. There we go. We have the rubber part here, but these are all metal. They're heavy, so I'm sure that in the snow, it would probably make it sink more. Anyway, so there's metal tracks. I guess I'm not sure what the advantage would be. Okay, let me see if I got anything else. Okay, the red one came with ski for the front, but I did break it, but I got the metal support for it now. So yeah, the ski goes on the front, and it has a servo too that makes it go up and down. So I bought these. They're plastic too, but they're chrome looking. I thought they'd look better on here than the black ones. You know, that's what I was thinking anyway. Here's an extra blade. And then this is apparently I have a second groomer, so I have two groomers. And I got a few other little parts and pieces, more servos. These are the sprockets up front, so that they're chrome too. So anyway, probably these wouldn't be too hard to put on. Give it a little bit of a more spiffier look. These are in there, but I'm not sure what they are. I don't think they're nothing to do with this thing. I think I must have made them for something. So that's my Blizzard box. You know, we'll take it outside and play with it.